started recording. So I just want to check with your self-introduction. Could you please tell about your roles and responsibilities and what kind of business process with your company? Just share the things right now.
Yeah, actually myself, Kumar. Okay, I'm having 4 years of SAP experience and 5 years of domain experience.
Okay.
Yeah, I was worked in one implementation project and 2 support projects.
Okay.
Currently I'm engaged with one support project.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where I will receive day-to-day tickets on AP, AR, and GL and asset accounting.
Okay.
Asset is handled at P3, P4 level, and rest of the tickets I will receive on day-to-day basis, including payments. Okay. Any FSPs, anything like report. I worked on reports, FSPs during my implementation project.
Okay.
Yeah, this is what I was working now.
Okay, fine. You just told me that you had already 5 years of experience in the domain side. So tell me, what is that roles and responsibilities of the particular areas?
Yeah, it's completely accounts payable part. Okay.
Yeah.
It's completely accounts payable part. I used to do the invoice processing, then some MIS reports with which are non-SAP thing.
Okay.
And I used to post some recurring journals, and we used to create some statements, MIS statements monthly. This thing, and I was being part of external and external audits, then bank reconciliations and all. Okay. And the tedious remittances and payments and all I used to do. Okay. Yeah. This and tedious filing I used to do. Not for my organization.
Have you shared your resume in the chat?
The tedious file. Sorry.
So have you shared
in organization level? I used to do the tedious payments. Sorry.
Yeah. Have you shared your resume in the chat box?
Yeah, I shared with you.
Okay. Let me check it out.
I shared again. I deleted.
Oh, you deleted. Okay.
Yeah.
Share again. Okay. Share once again.
Share once again.
I just need to review our roles and responsibilities.
Okay. Just a minute. Yeah, I shared it.
Okay. I didn't get your resume.
Sorry?
I didn't get your resume. Okay. So just wait for some time. Okay, you have almost 5 years of experience in the domain side and SAP FICO side. So what kind of roles and responsibilities? How many projects?
Sir, your network.
So my voice is audible right now. So please check your network. Okay, yes, I got your resume.
My network is okay, sir. I think it's off. Yeah, now it is okay. Please.
Okay. Just I'm reviewing your resume.
Yeah, can you hide?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, see. So you handle 2 support projects in SAP S4HANA. And
yes,
how many implementation projects you handle?
One implementation projects I worked and 2 support projects.
Okay, implementation project SAP S4HANA or ECC?
Yeah, S4HANA only.
S4HANA. So how you implemented your project?
Yeah, actually I was joined to the end of the business blueprint stage, BBP stage. Okay. After that, I've joined almost BBP stage and it was realization stage started. Okay. In the realization stage, I started working on GL creations, some according to the BBPs. Then we used to test with. I used to test the test cases, whatever the GL created, the GL created, and vendors and customers. Then these and all things. We have some test cases like payment, partial payment, and some noted items. Then all these things. Then I have involved in the migration activities to the vendors. Vendor balances, customer balances, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, so you implemented complete SAP FICO or partial? Which role, partial role or full role?
Partial. I am having 2 more consultants with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
But see, you told that you was part of business blueprint realization and you're also part of data migration, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so which methodology your company has implemented this project?
Activate methodology.
Okay, so tell me how many phases are there in the activate methodology?
There are 6 phases are there.
Okay. So what
think,
is
yeah, sorry, I didn't. I forgot the 6 stages. I know after realization, we have done the cutover activities. Then we have done the final run. Then we have gone for integration testing.
So involved in the RISE-IF, right?
Sorry.
You involved in RISE-IF objects.
Yes. I customized some reports actually which are not available in standard. Yeah.
So what exactly the difference between BAPI and BADI?
BAPI and BADI. I'd say BAPI is I think it's LSNW. BAPI we use during LSNW. BADI is that's a customization program.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so tell me how the functional specification document should be prepared.
Yeah, actually, initially we will receive the requirement from business. Initially, we will check whether any related reports are available in related reports are available in standard SAP. If it is available, we'll try to convince the user to use the same report. If it is not available, we'll move for functional specification. We we will do. We will write a functional specification document by mentioning table names and all. It contain where the data from which table data will be pulled, and how the format will be. That and all we'll take from business requirement, and we will sit with a broker and we will let him understand the business requirement.
Okay. So how the functional logic should be prepared? Just to tell me an example. You told, so you are part of RISE-IF objects, preparation of RISE objects, and have done some customization, right? Gap list. And so tell me one example, and so how the functional specification should be prepared and how the business logic will be given. What is the complete business process?
Yeah, actually, during recently we have created one where some, I think this thing what's called GST number was not reflecting on FBL1N report. There, what we have given, we from AC Docker table, we have directed this what's called. We have created logic as AC Docker table. The particular field should be appeared in FBL1 and report at the what is the specific technical field name.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you connected to ABAP for this requirement?
Yes, we have connected to ABAP.
Okay. So what is the CR process?
Change request. Initially, we will receive the we'll receive the requirement from client in ticket module. First, we will check whether it is available. The ticket can be resolved or not, or any functional specification to be changed. When it is required, the functional things to be changed, we will propose for change request. Okay. In that we sorry.
Yeah, you continue.
Yeah, we will proceed for a change request. Then after we proceed for change request, then we will close the ticket, and we propose the change request in a document to the business. This thing for configuration changes based upon the approval received from business. We will configure the same in. We'll configure the same. We'll take the complete requirement and we'll sit with developer. Then we will do the necessary changes.
Okay, so before approaching a BAPR, okay, so will you take an approval from the business for this year?
Yeah. I mentioned in my previous explanation. We take the business. We'll take the business approval. Based on approval only, we will approach the developer.
Okay, so how the estimated planning will be happen with your
with developer?
Yeah, estimated plan for the respective requirement. How the estimated planning will be happen?
Yeah. Sorry. Estimated plan.
Let's say, for example, you want to do some customization, right, for calculation. So okay. how you contact developer? So once you contact developer, then you need to give estimate hours plan to the client, right? So how many days this requirement should be finished up? So those things.
Yeah, it's based on we will discuss with developer. We'll try to understand the logic first where it can be resolved. That thing we'll discuss with developer, and we both will finalize this planning. The same we will come. Sorry.
Okay, fine. So how the test case should be prepared? So you told that you are also part of testing, right?
Yes.
So like you performed unit testing, integration testing. So how the test case be prepared?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Actually, we'll take for example, we'll take a scenario from business. Okay. In the based on the scenario, we'll create a test case. For example, if you want to make payment, we will take initially F-43. F-43. We will enter an invoice, and we will enter an invoice. We'll check all the mandatory fields whether are they. Sorry.
Okay, fine. Go on.
We'll check all the fields whether it is whether all the fields we were populated or working on. I mean, where we are able to enter or not. Then the payment we will enter the payment details and all. Then we will at every stage we will take a screenshot at every after completing the same screen entries, the entry posting. We will take a screenshot. We'll take into the Word document. The same will be recorded and the same will be communicated.
Okay, fine. See, so which testing tool generally used for preparing these test scripts in your company? So tell me that.
Just a minute. Yes, please.
Tell me the testing tool.
Your voice. Your voice is breaking.
For preparing the test scripts. Testing tool. Can you hear me? Yeah, it's audible. Hello.
Testing tool. Yeah. Yeah. Now it is audible. Testing tool.
Preparing test.
Yeah, it is audible.
Yeah. So tell me which testing tool generally your company is using.
It's ServiceNow.
Okay, ServiceNow is not testing tool, right?
Yeah. ALM.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Have you performed regression testing?
No, I'm not part of regression testing.
Okay. So have you involved cutover activities?
Yeah, involved in cutover activities.
So tell me how the cutover activities should be prepared. What is the planning for that?
Yeah, once if you are going to go live on a particular date, and the before month end data we will be taking from the trial balance of before month. Sorry, before month end data of trial balance we will take from the business. Okay,
Okay.
initially we will upload in quality. We will check the we will check we'll check the this thing whether everything uploaded properly or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then we will upload in pre-production. Then we will show it to the user whether the same values are matching or not. After confirming with user, we will upload in the production client. We use BDC for transaction data upload, and we use LTMC. Now we are using LTMC for this upload, master data upload.
Okay. What is the difference between LTMC and LTMOM?
Sorry, LTMC and
LTMC and LTMOM. LTMOM.
LTMOM is migrate your data.
Okay. What is the difference between LTMC and LTMOM?
LTMC is we are having middleware for uploading the data. Some through NetWeaver we will do it. For LTMOM, give the template, predefined template.
Okay.
I think it will give a different template. I didn't work on LTMOM. Sorry.
Mm-hmm. So have you involved FI to MM integration?
Yes, I am involved FIMM integration.
So how the FI to MM integration will be happen?
It basically happened at Migo level. Okay, whenever we will receive the goods, we will take the GRN entry at Migo. The GRN entry for since it is automatic posting, we will update the GL. Excuse me.
Okay.
We
And
will
what
update.
should
We'll
be
update. We'll update the GLs. We'll assign the GLs in OBYC settings.
mm-hmm.
Sorry, we will update the GLs in GL to be picked during Migo in OBYC settings.
Okay.
Basically, we use BSX for the inventory and
But GRR?
for GRIR, WRX for GRIR.
Okay. Okay, tell me some transaction keys.
Transaction keys of FIMM.
Yeah, FI to MM.
BSX, WRX, GBB. GBB we use for inventory posting. Then PRD is for price difference, and FR1 is freight clearing, and KBS is the GLs to be picked from purchase order itself. That is, we'll take it and KBS. We don't define it. We define it at purchase level. The same will be comes under KBS key.
Okay. So what exactly valuation modifier and general modifier?
Yeah, valuation modifier and general modifier. I need to check on that. Sorry.
Okay.
Valuation class level we will enter at valuation class. So that is comes from material valuation class. It's it is an material valuation which is 3,000 for raw materials and some 7,900 for.
I'm asking only valuation modifier, but not valuation class.
Okay, I need to go through it once. Okay.
Very important. Okay. And tell me some important momentums.
Important momentums: 101 goods against purchase order, and two. Sorry.
Goods,
201 issued cost
goods
center.
production order. What is the momentum?
Sorry.
Goods issued to production order. What is the momentum?
Goods issued to production order 261 moment type.
Okay. So tell me what kind of entry will happen at the time of goods issued to production order.
Goods issued to production capital work in progress debited to inventory.
So what is the transaction key for this?
Goods issued to production transaction key. Sorry, sir, I forgot it. I need to check it once.
Okay. So do you know DME?
Yeah, I have DME. We are maintaining DME.
Okay. So what is the format of DME?
Flat file. We are maintaining at flat
Which
file.
country you maintain?
Sorry, sir.
For which country?
It's India only.
India only. For which bank?
It's HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank. So what kind of requirement you gathered from the HDFC Bank for DME implementation?
Actually, we discuss during implementation. We discuss with bank for providing the format and how they the format will receive. I mean, how the format the bank will accept. Which format we have taken the requirements of format that is MT940. Sorry, MT940 statement format. Actually, we discussed with bank. We have taken the format along with us. The ABAPR also is there during discussion. After discussion with bank, we have created the tree structure in DME settings with sub elements and with elements creation and sub elements creation for header data and line item data.
Okay. So what is aggregation?
Sorry, sir.
What is aggregation? What is, there are some fields like aggregate. Aggregate.
No, sir, I'm not. Actually, I did it long back, so sorry.
So we need to assign the DME file format, right, to the house banks.
Yeah, to the house bank we have to assign OBPM2. We will assign the
PM2 or OBPM4.
OBPM4. Sorry, OBPM4. OBPM4 we will assign to the
What method you applied for this DME?
it's transfer, bank transfer.
So
Sorry?
do you know SIFA? Do you know what is SIFA?
SAP format is used for Eurozone. Basically, it is used by Eurozone banks. It's a predefined format in SAP for it's a kind of file, the same flat file which we create for India. In the same way, Europe they are following the SEPA format.
What is autumn?
Sorry, R.
What is autumn?
Autumn.
Autumn.
Autumn DME. No, sir, I'm not.
Okay, let me check your resume once again. So, have you involved in the foreign currency evaluation?
Yeah, I involved in foreign currency evaluation.
So, you resolved some tickets, right?
Yes, I have resolved some tickets.
Okay. So, what kind of tickets you handle, particularly for asset accounting?
For asset accounting, Actually, depreciation, some of the depreciations, some as a depreciation for some of the assets is not posted, during the AFAB run. So during the AFAB run, it's not posted. It was the ticket raised by business user. The same we have gone through the thing actually during depreciation key level.
So do you know asset shutdown process?
Yeah, I know asset shutdown process.
So where we want to stop for some assets. So how
Yeah,
we can...
assets creation master level itself, we have one option asset shutdown. There we will define the periods for which period asset should be shut down.
Only asset level you can define, or any other way we can define for asset shutdown process? We can also define a depreciation key level, right?
A depreciation key level, we'll make the depreciation key as 0, so that it will restrict the depreciation postings.
Okay. Okay, let's say, for example, so you handle ECC support project or S4HANA support project?
Yeah, ECC support project only.
So let's say, for example, for some assets, I calculate depreciation for 3 months. Okay. And useful life was 10 years. I use title method.
Okay.
And after that, in 4th month, client says it's not pipeline method. It should be WDV. It's not 10%. It's 15%. So how you will correct it?
We will correct this scenario at a depreciation key level. Depreciation key level, and we will asset class level and depreciation key level.
Do you know smoothing and catch-up method?
Yeah, I'm aware of smoothing and catch-up method.
Okay. So shall I up both methods at a time?
No, we can apply any one method at a time only.
Okay, so is there any activation is required for this or not? For catch-up?
We will use repost option for us.
Okay, so I created asset wrongly, and also I procured that asset from the one vendor. Okay, and also I made some depreciation for 3 months. Okay, so that asset creation itself wrong. The client wants to make that asset 0. So how you can do that?
Make entire asset 0, sir?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir, I didn't gone through this scenario.
Okay. So you want to transfer asset, one asset to another asset. Okay. So you want to transfer the asset acquisition values, retirement values, so asset acquisition values from one asset to the next asset. Same. Did you get my point? You want to transfer the asset acquisition value from one asset to another. What is the requirement? What is the basic requirement?
We have to create internal order, it seems. Actually, I am not worked in asset accounting much.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, in which area you are strong?
And AP and AR and general ledger.
Okay, have you involved automatic payment program?
Yeah, I'm involved in automatic payment program.
Okay. So this is one scenario. Okay. I have I have two banks. Okay, one bank funds are almost 1 lakh, and second bank funds are 1,50,000. 1 lakh plus 1,50,000, 2,50,000. I have the balance from these two banks. Okay, and
Okay.
need to pay. I need to pay. I need to pay 2,70,000. Okay, I need to
Okay.
pay 2,70,000, but I have only funds 2,50,000 for to this bank. Okay, so uh, client client asked me to pay 2,50,000. Okay, not 2,70,000, 2,50,000. Rest of
Okay.
the amount we will pay later.
Okay.
Okay. So at a time.
Okay.
How it is possible? You got my question, right?
Yeah, I got your question. One thing we can do at partial payment level,
Mm-hmm.
we will process the partial payment request.
Mm-hmm.
Then the same will be reflecting this thing.
But generally, it is two banks, right? So you need to clear the invoice from these two banks. What kind of
Yeah,
message?
we will provide ranking order. Actually, based on ranking order only payment will be proceed.
You know the partner bank?
Partner bank.
Yeah.
No, sir, I'm not.
Okay. So what is the next date option? Next payment date. Okay. So next payment date in F110, right?
Yes, yes. For creating the auto APP, we have to give certain fields. Their next payment run will be there. If we give next payment run before that, whatever the due items are there, they will be picked during the F110 run.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is the option we or next payment date.
Okay, that will be picked. What is the benefit?
What is the
What is the benefit to the company?
company?
Yeah. What is the benefit? So
Yeah, actually, we companies will follow the structure of making payments on periodic wise.
so for the next payment cycle date, we need to give, right? Why we need to give the next payment cycle? Why we need to pay the invoice before the due date? To get the CAT discounts.
We will give the documents entered up to.
Get CAT discounts. Okay. So when vendor is also customer. Okay.
Yes,
When vendor is also customer. Sometimes vendor is also customer, right?
yes, correct.
So I need to clear the invoice through F110. Okay. So what kind of configurations or requirements?
For customer payment.
Yeah, for both payments.
Yeah, we have 6 steps in automatic payment program.
Mhm.
Uh, one is one we will define the payment method at company level. Then we define the payment method at country level. Uh, then we will define the house banks. Then we define the bank determinations.
See, when
Two more.
vendor is also customer, in vendor master, you need to give the customer details.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Vendor is also customer.
Okay.
Okay. So then what is the basic requirement? So in vendor master, we need to give the customer details, right? First. In the document level, in vendor master document, you need to tick the customer. Basic requirement, basic configurations. Okay. Do you know cross company code clearing through F110?
Cross company code clearing means intercompany
Yes.
clearing, sir.
Yes.
I'm no, sir.
Okay.
I think we will process through internal orders. I don't think so. Okay, sorry. Sorry, sir. Continue.
How the payment advisory form should be prepared?
It is customized customized payment advice form. We will assign in.
I'm just asking you, so payment advisory form, very well. In F110, so once we check payments executed, then automatically print should be generated, and payment advisory form should also be generated, right? Okay, so we can. Okay, and what is the ABAP contribution and your contribution? Tell me the complete process.
Yeah, we will first we will approach the business what's called business people, what are the current process, what are the current forms they are using. We'll take the requirement from them, and the same thing we will check whether it is matching with the predefined payment form. Most of the cases it will not match. We will go for we'll go to the developer by giving the form. We will provide to the developer again in FSP. This form needs to be created. Then developer from backend, he will prepare the form, and he will make us available to assign in the this thing.
Okay. So, requirement, I'm asking, say, the payment advisory form, there should be the client requirement, right? So, client logo.
Yes, client logo.
Okay. So, these things you need to collect from the client, and you will discuss with your developer how the logo should be prepared. Okay, and you need to give the respective tables. Tell me automatic payment program table.
T03.
Rego.
Sorry.
Rego table. Rego. Okay. So, have you involved foreign currency devaluation?
Actually, we will prepare the foreign currency devaluation.
Okay. So, tell me.
We will provide the exchange rates and OB A7, and we will use the payment type.
OB0. OB0. Exchange rates will be updated.
OB07, OB08.
Yeah.
OB08, we will prepare the exchange rates.
Tell me. So, year ending is coming, right? For this fiscal year 2023, we need to close. Okay. So, particularly in asset accounting. Okay. So, what kind of year ending activities we need to perform?
We have to check whether all the depreciations are properly posted or not. Is the first setup of check, and we will check, and we will do a checkup of acquired but not depreciation attached. Sorry, sir.
Okay, see, depreciation is portion that we can say, that things end user will take care. Okay, like for consultant perspective, okay, there are some T codes we need to execute, right? Okay, so tell me the T codes. Balances carry forward, asset new year opening.
Yeah, through.
Okay, depreciation calculation.
Sorry, sir.
Depreciation calculation. Okay. Yes. So, okay, fine. Have you know Dunning?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So, how many Dunning notices we can execute? Max.
As per we can execute up to 9. Sorry, your voice is breaking. Sorry.
Okay, how many Dunning notices that we can execute max in SAP standard?
In 9 up to 9 we can execute that and in this.
What is Dunning key?
Dunning key we will configure for blocking the further Dunning for blocking the further Dunning processes once the invoice is cleared.
Okay. Okay. So this is the end of the interview. Do you have any questions?
Nothing actually. I come to know I lagged at a lot of areas. I need to work out once again. Actually, I prepared well only, but unfortunately, with the interview tension, I forgot a lot of things. Seriously, I forgot a lot of things. So I need to work out again on my this thing, basics on my preparation part.
Okay. See how this interview is it useful or tough, simple? Tell me how how this interview should be.
Actually, this interview is completely different to what I was prepared for.
I understand.
So that I could not able to achieve. Uh, I could not able to give my whatever I have to
So
give.
have you attended
Definitely,
it so far? This is first time.
yeah. This is the first one. Actually, will my prospect of preparation is completely different, and whatever I got from you is completely different. This is utmost necessary for us. The perspective will change from person to person. Being the interview side, I know your perspective is. I mean, whatever your expectation is, that's exactly correct. But whatever my perception of preparation is, might be misfired. I need to work on again.
No, not like that. So you answered almost good, okay, but not excellent. Good. So you answered good. But the things you are explaining, that is in not correct way. Okay, so which area you need to explain first, that was missed out. And the presentation is not that way. Okay, it's not up to the mark. But so you know all the things, but there is something lack. Okay, I found during the interview process. So
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
there is something lack. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah. So there is lag. There is lag is there for explanation.
yeah,
Okay, and things you forgotten. Most of the things you forgotten.
yeah,
Okay, so you just need to brush up the things. That's it. Okay. So almost all of the questions are standard. Okay, not asked any out of the scope. Okay, asked BAPI, BADI. At least if you say the basic things. Okay, where
okay,
exactly BAPI should be used and BADI. That is give one example. That's sufficient. Okay, so the way of explanation should be with example.
okay,
Okay, interviewer expectation is real time. So real time means if you are real time consultant, you will take one example. Okay, for every case. For example, if I ask any test script, or if I ask any RISE objects, you need to take one example and
yeah,
what kind of challenges you faced. Okay,
okay,
what kind of challenge you face, and what is the business process in your company, like the CR process. So if
okay,
you tell about the RISE concept, the first thing you need to tell. So what is the CR process? Okay, how you get the information from the client? Okay, how you get the information from the client? Like what is the CR process? And then tell the example. Okay, so how you connect to the adapter? So what kind of logic he has given? Okay, and take at least one or two examples. Then sufficient.
okay,
Okay, so you discussed about the GST and take one more example.
okay,
Okay, so because you put these things in the resume front, right? Okay, so interviewer focus should be these areas only. That's the reason I asked that question. Right? If objects, I see in your resume in the first place.
okay.
Okay, so anything should be an example. Anything should be give an example. Okay, and in automated payment program, so you missed out so many scenarios. Okay, even you don't know how to configure those things. Okay,
Yes.
so I will give you. Okay, I will give you some real-time scenarios in automated payment program.
Okay.
Okay, so you prepare that areas, and
Sure.
so I will share you 10 to 15 real-time scenarios, and also I will give you some of the answers also. You
Okay.
just prepare those areas and tell to the interviewer. Okay, and
Okay.
in FI to MM integration case, so you missed out, mobile types, goods issued to production order, goods in transit, goods
Yeah.
scrap.
Actually, I explained the moment types, but I failed
Okay,
in
things
entries.
also required, and along with transaction keys also required. And
Exactly.
you didn't explain properly the valuation modifier and general modifier. PRD, GBB, KOM, general modifier should be taken, right? For
Yes.
offset entries, consumption, type difference. So today you just to focus on what is the difference between valuation modifier and the general modifier. This is very important. Okay,
Okay.
and how the assignment, real assignment should be happen. So once we assign what happened, okay. So once we assign, so automatically that entry, Vigo entry will pick it up, right? So
Yes.
just a PRD case. So how the price difference account will pick. Okay, so if you maintain the standard price in the Metal Master, price difference account will come automatically. If purchase order on goods visit price is different. Okay, so now anyhow, okay, just give me 2 hours. Okay, so I will share you some real-time documents for you. Okay, if you need material, if you need complete videos and all for workshop, okay, you can connect about this, sir. Okay, and discuss with him. Okay, first attend interview. You have tomorrow interview, right?
Sorry, sir. I have.
You have interview tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'm having it tomorrow.
Okay. So today I will share you some materials, real-time materials and some issues to you. Okay, real-time issues. Okay.
Okay.
So you just take at least 4 to 6 real-time standard. It's tough issues only. Don't discuss the basic related issues. And
Okay.
focus on the year-ending activities. Year-ending activities are already uploaded video on YouTube channel. So how the year-ending activities will happen? Okay. So
Okay.
asset related, so new asset accounting is very important in SAP S4HANA. And you didn't explain the activate methodology properly. Okay. Okay. So actually, you caught me in the back time because I was completely busy with my training schedules. Okay, but so I will take one more session for you, but it's almost 1 to 1.30 minutes. Okay, so if it is possible, okay, after the end of the your interview, if interview is good, okay. If interview is not good, then again you can connect me. We will discuss more.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, so
Okay.
meanwhile, I will share you some documentation, real-time
Okay.
documentation part. Okay, just review the documents and prepare well. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
that's why I will share you entry material for you. Just go
Okay.
ahead and check. Okay, so I
Okay.
have
Okay.
a question. I will connect you again. Okay, so time I will fix up. Okay, so meanwhile, you just focus on these areas. I'm also sharing the interview questions which I asked right now. Okay,
Okay.
so tell me, is this interview tough or easy? Which mode? So earlier, how many interviews you attended?
No, I'm not attended anything. I'm going to interview first thing. I know I will be little nervous, so
Mhm.
that I wish to take one this mock session. That's why
Uh, how do you know me? Like I'm taking SAP mock test interviews for 2,000 rupees. So how do you know me?
I'm following your this thing. What's called a couple of not more than a couple of days. I'm following your videos
Some of
over.
the mock tests are already available in the YouTube channel. Please review that. Okay, and you will get some knowledge. Okay.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. So we'll get back.
Are you going to me? Are you going to connect me once again?
Yes, I will connect you, no, but not right now because you caught me some back time. Okay. So I was
Okay.
completely occupied with other training sessions. Okay. So
Okay.
anyhow, I spared some time with you.
Okay.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So I will put in the chat box. Okay, so that timings, etc. You can connect me. Okay.
Okay.
Or else you can discuss with Babji sir, or else you put message in the chat box. I will reply to that.
Okay. Which chat box?
I
Which
will.
chat box?
Yes, Skype chat box.
Sorry?
Yes, Skype.
This Skype. Can I log in this Skype and I can put message, right?
You just ping me in WhatsApp. Okay, you connected me through WhatsApp, right? You just ping me in WhatsApp. I will tell you the timing. Okay,
Yeah,
today
sure.
is possible. Okay, so after end of the class, I will share some documentation part in the chat box. Okay, you can upload those things and you follow and attend the interview tomorrow. Okay, just after end of the interview, again, I will schedule one meeting with you. So the time and everything I will share. Okay, so you just keep on contact me in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. See you.